Hey guys, today we're gonna play Build an Engine game. Simia.
Thomas, James, and Toby were among the first of your favorite engines to arrive at the island of Sodor. They are very useful engines indeed. They have been on the island for many years, and from time to time need some repairs. Can you be very useful in helping them with these repairs? Use the direction buttons on your controller to choose an engine and press enter to begin.
It's okay. I remember.
I know you don't need it, Thomas, but everything that does need
Let's start with Thomas.
Sir Topham Hatt needs me for many different jobs every day, but I can't be useful until all of my parts are in order. Select the highlighted part that I'm missing using the direction buttons on your controller. Press the enter button when you have
there's
chosen
no
the
place for
right
you to
part.
charge along the way.
I'm almost fully charged, and I'll be fine if I take it slow.
Well, okay, but please be careful.
We're on.
Please try again.
We're gonna give these folks the best tour of Sodor ever. Power or no power. Electric. Yaga yaga what? Yaga yaga oh no. Rapid and super.
Please try again.
All the crossing arms are stuck open.
Excellent! My boiler heats water into steam, so I can go really fast around the island of Sodor. My boiler band keeps my boiler covered and protected.
On it. It's my turn. Come on, fellas. We're all in this together. Just take turns.
You were Thomas. It's my turn.
Good job! The steps allow for my driver and fireman to climb into my cab, so they can take me all over the island of
We
Sodor.
should take turns.
Yes, and Thomas clearly meant we should go first.
No, we should go first. Hey,
Thomas, we go first.
but
You're right! My wheel arch serves to shield my wheels from rocks or other things that may get in the way when I'm traveling around the island.
we're gonna need some help. Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make our drop assist here. We're fine.
Good work! My buffers are found on my front chassis and provide me with a cushion if I accidentally bump into another engine.
Over the arc.
Yeah, we got the boiler bands, and we got the buffers, and the
Or maybe I
cab staplers. One more part, and we got the funnel.
Wonderful work! My funnel allows steam engines like myself to release steam when we're hard at work.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you so much. I'm off to help Sir Topham Hatt.
Next up, we got James.
Hi, I'm James, and I need your help. Can you put my parts back together so that I'm once again a really splendid engine? Select the highlighted part that I am missing using the direction buttons on your controller. Press the enter button when you have chosen the right part.
cool. But if everything's connected,
That is a very important part, but not quite right. Please try again.
we can take the back way. That doesn't have any crossing.
We got the handrail.
Trees, meadows, and rivers.
Good work. This is an important part that helps people to climb on board.
This doesn't look like a meadow. I'm not seeing any.
We got a dome.
Excellent job. That's my dome, and it's shining.
This isn't very scenic. You're right. We have to figure something out.
James's wheels are gray, but they should be black, and Thomas's and James's wheels are not moving.
That's scenic.
We got James's side
My
rods.
connecting rod connects three of my wheels together so that they all rotate.
Got James's side rods.
Going on the tracks.
And we have one more part for James, and it's a wheel arch.
You got it. My wheel arch protects my wheels, which are very, very important. You were great. I think Thomas and Toby need your help next.
You got Toby.
I'm Toby. I'm always cool. That's hard to do as an evil repair. Can you put all my parts in the right place so I am once again useful? Select the highlighted part that I am missing using the direction buttons on the control. Press the enter button when you have chosen the right part.
Mrs. Howard? The tunnel is so dark.
A dark tunnel? That is decidedly unscenic, Thomas.
I know. I'm sorry, but
Almost, but please select another part.
Mm-hmm. You got the cow catchers.
You are very useful. The cow catcher helps prevent accidents when cows are on the rails.
You got a headlamp.
You got it. My light helps me to see at night, which is especially useful down in the woods.
Got a coupling hook.
Great job. My coupling hook connects me to other engines.
Oh, and Toby has a whistle.
Those crazy troubles.
Despite him having a bell.
and no electricity to bring down.
What will we do?
Good work. My buffers are found in my front and back chassis. Protect me with a cushion if I accidentally bump into another engine or get a little rough with troublesome trucks. Great job.
And this is a 10 Years of Thomas version.
Now head to the quarry line to do some work.
Because in the early years, the screen fades up. These pop up on the earlier DVD, which I'm going to upload that version soon. Same with Sword of Memories, which I forgot to mention that earlier. Well, folks, peace out and goodbye.